Hello, happy morning to all the lovely students there. How are you students? Yes, this is your mathematics video and you know me very well. We have already started with our chapter 9, that is basic geometrical concept. The last topic which we covered in the previous video was of circle. In circle, we have seen what is the center point of the circle, what is the radius, what are the chords and which is the diameter. So students, today in this video, we will be seeing the relation between radius and diameter. So students, the last topic which we have seen, that is circumference of the circle. The boundary of a circle is known as circumference of the circle. So today in this video, we will be starting with the relation between radius and diameter.
The length of the thread. Relation between radius and diameter of a circle. Look at the circle with center O. AB is the diameter. OA and OB are the radius.
Students, relation between radius and diameter of a circle. Look at the circle with the center O. Have you observed that this is a circle and O is at the center point? So students, मेरा AB क्या है? Diameter. Diameter is a chord which pass through the center of the circle. Understood students? And the diameter touches both the ends of the circle. So उस according देखने जाए तो AB मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? Diameter. But मैं अगर ये साइड छुपा दूं तो OB क्या बन जाएगा मेरा? Radius. और अगर मैं OB छुपा दूं तो OA क्या बन जाएगा मेरा? Radius. So I can say that look at the circle with center O. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. OA and OB are the radius of the circle.
Of the circle. Now, AB is equal to OA plus OB, which is equal to OA plus OA, because radii of the circle.
Students, can I say like this way that AB equals to OA plus OB? I repeat again. AB is the diameter. Okay. Can I say this way that AB कौन सी दो रेडियस से बना हुआ है? AB equals to OA plus OB. As you can see here, AB equals to OA plus OB. OA plus OB because radius of the circle are equal. OA और OB दोनों की वैल्यू सेम ही होगी. So if I wish, मैं OB को OA भी लिख सकती हूँ. For example, अगर मेरा OA 5 सेंटीमीटर होगा तो बट naturally OB भी मेरा क्या होगा? 5 सेंटीमीटर.
Circle are equal, which is equal to 2 into OA. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2.
The main thing you have to remember, the main formula which derived from the relation, that is diameter equals to 2 into radius. The main formula, diameter equals to 2 into radius. Diameter equals to 2 into radius. Okay students, for example, मैं आपको radius दे देती हूँ that your radius is 5 centimeter and you are supposed to calculate the diameter. Radius is 5 and you are supposed to calculate the diameter. So आप ये वाला formula लगाकर you can find the correct answer. That will be 2 into 5 equals to 10 centimeter. Always remember, हमेशा diameter की जो भी वैल्यू आएगी वो रेडियस से बड़ी होगी, बिकॉज रेडियस को जब हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then we will be getting the diameter. The main diameter equals to 2 into radius. Okay, students?
2 into radius.
Example. Find the diameter of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Solution.
Just now we have taken this example. For example, I have taken 5 centimeter, but in this question it is 6 centimeter. Have a look. Find the diameter of the circle with radius 6 centimeter. First of all, I will be jotting what is given in the question. Radius equals to 6 centimeter. Now, diameter का formula, I know that diameter equals to 2 into radius. So, 2 into 6 equals to 12. So, I can say that thus the diameter will be 12 centimeter.
Radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, diameter is equal to 2 into radius is equal to 2 into 6 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Thus, the diameter of the circle is 12 centimeter. Find the radius of a circle with diameter 36 centimeter. Solution. Diameter is equal to 36 centimeter.
Students, this may happen कि आपको diameter दिया हो क्वेश्चन में and you are supposed to find the radius. So at that time what you will be doing? आप इस फॉर्मूला को थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट टर्न कर देंगे, तब आपका फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Radius equals to diameter divided by 2. The same is done here. 36 is the diameter divided by 2. So 36 divided by 2, my answer will be 18. So I can say that the radius is 18 centimeter. 18 plus 18 equals to 36. Okay, students?
Centimeter. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2 is equal to 36 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 18 centimeter. Thus, the radius of the circle is 18 centimeter.
Drawing a circle using a compass.
Now we will see how we can draw a circle with a given measurement. For example, I am asking you to draw the circle of 4 centimeter. So what you will do? सबसे पहले आप एक पॉइंट बनाएंगे, सेंटर पॉइंट, वहां पर आप कोई भी अल्फाबेट से पॉइंट कर देंगे. Then with the help of scale and ruler, you will mark that 4 centimeter. फिर आप जो पॉइंटेड नेम होती है वहां पे रखोगे, then you will draw the circle. See, we will have a look.
Look into your geometry box and identify the compass. A compass has 2 arms. Now open the arms of the compass slightly. Remember, the distance between the 2 arms forms the radius of the circle. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Steps. Fix the pencil in the compass. Measure 4 centimeters on the compass.
See, this is the rounder. सबसे पहले आप पेंसिल को अंदर प्लेस करेंगे, फिर आप 4 सेंटीमीटर का मेजरमेंट लेंगे. राउंडर की जो निब होती है आप उसको 0 पर रखेंगे और पेंसिल की निब लेकर जाएंगे जितना आपको रिक्वायर्ड सेंटीमीटर्स आस्क्ड. Okay, students. Now what you will do? You will measure and then you will be drawing that.
Ruler. Keep the needle of the compass and keep it fixed on the paper. Move the pencil around it in any direction till you return to the starting point. The figure is a circle of radius 4 centimeters. The center O is...
So students, observe, at the center I will be placing the rounder dip and then I will rotate the paper or I will rotate the rounder in such a way that the measurement does not change. See, it's very easy now. It's really a good scoring topic. So students, here we complete the discussion of the circle. Now we will be moving to the worksheet part. So students, you can see this page on textbook 111. We have discussed this. We have also gone through the chord, diameter. We have also seen this formula, diameter equals to 2 into r. And you need to mark this formula on page number 112. Diameter equals to 2 into radius and radius equals to diameter divided by 2 on page number 112. Now let's turn the page. We have also seen this draw a circle using a compass, and now we will be discussing this. See, first question and second question we have done. Now we are on question number 3. Find the diameter of the circle. Whose? Find the diameter. It is properly given in the question that you are supposed to calculate the diameter. So what is the formula for diameter? 2 into radius. The first one is radius equals to 16. So 2 equals to 16. Okay students. The second is 21 and the third is 18. Let's see the question number 4. Find the radius of the circle. In heading it is properly mentioned that you are supposed to find the radius. So what will be the formula? Radius equals to diameter upon 2. Okay students, and in question number 5, you will be drawing the circle of the given measurement. So students, here we complete the discussion of our exercise which was related to circle. Let's go. Complete your notes. Send me the photo shots. Don't forget students. Bye. God bless you.